Welcome, in front of me I have Sharp Aquos Sense 2 and I'm gonna show you how to go through the first setup on this device. Let's start by selecting the language. To do it, we need to tap on this text right here to open the list of languages, and now you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list, find the language you'd like to use and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English, then select the region, for example United States. Down here we can tap on emergency call to call the emergency numbers, and we can also tap on vision settings to get the access for settings like magnification, font size and display size. Okay, let's tap on start to continue. Now we can insert a SIM card into our device, but I'm gonna tap on skip. Here we can connect to Wi-Fi. You can also skip the step by tapping on skip button, but I'm gonna tap on connect to one rather. So let's tap on the network I want to connect. Now I need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And then tap connect to connect to the network. Here we can copy apps and data from the Google account. To do it, tap next, but I don't want to do it, so I'm gonna tap don't copy. Now we can log in into a Google account. You can also skip this step by tapping skip, but it's recommended to log into one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the account name, then tap next. Now I need to enter the password, so give me another few seconds. And then tap next to log in. Here tap on I agree. Now we can turn on and off some of the Google services by tapping the slider next to them to turn them off or on, like this. And once you're done, scroll all the way down and tap on the accept. Here we can turn on terminal lock if you want to, but I don't think it's a good idea for now, so I'm gonna just tap on skip. Now let's tap on continue. And here you can tap on I agree to turn on your Google Assistant, but I don't want it, so I'm gonna tap on no thanks. And right here we can also add the debit card or credit card to a Google Wallet if you want to by tapping on add card, but I'm gonna tap on skip to skip this step. And right here we can also add another email account, change the font size, change the wallpaper and set up a fingerprint, but I'm gonna tap on no thanks. And at this point the setup is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.